Today we're gonna make a quick review, and I'm gonna start by a quick revision on the passive voice. Okay, I'll just write this sentence. Adam cleans the room. Okay, this sentence is active voice. Okay, what's the meaning of active and what's the meaning of passive? Active voice is the sentence that all of us usually write when we start with the subject and then the verb and then the object. Okay, so Adam here is the subject and cleans is the verb and the room is the object. So if I want to change this sentence into the passive voice, I have to start my sentence with the object, which is the room. So this is the first step. So the first step is to start with the object, and then first I have to check the sentence tense. Is it present simple or past simple? So here the sentence is in the present simple because the verb is cleans and it ends with s. So it's in the present simple. So if the sentence is in the present simple, I have to put am or is or are after the object. So the room is, and then I have to write the verb in the past participle. So the room is cleaned by Adam. Okay? So why do we use the passive voice? We use the passive voice for three things. When the object is more important than the subject, so that's why we start our sentence with the object. And when the doer of the action is unknown, like someone broke my window, I don't know who broke my window, so the doer of the action is unknown. And when the doer of the action is obvious, like the criminal was arrested yesterday. Who arrests criminals? The police. I didn't need to mention that, and you got the point without mentioning. So let's start answering. We jump to page number 2, which question number 11. So our dog didn't bite the cat. So this is present simple or past simple? Good, it's past simple. So where is the subject? Our dog. The verb didn't bite and the object is the cat. So I have to start with the object. So the cat. So if it past simple, I cannot put am or is or are. So what's the past of am or is or are? It was or were. Okay, so the cat was bitten or wasn't bitten. It's didn't here, so I have to make it negative. Good job. So it will be wasn't bitten by our dog. Okay. Okay, number 12. The mechanic repairs the car. So the subject here is the mechanic, the verb is repairs, and the car is the object. Okay, so this sentence is in the present simple. So I will start with the object, the car. So if it's in the present simple, I have to put am or is or are after the object. So the car is repaired by something happened. So the car is repaired, sorry for that, by the mechanic. Okay, number 13. They understand Spanish. Okay, they understand Spanish. So Spanish is the object. So Spanish, this sentence is in the present simple. So Spanish is understood by them. Okay, number 14. The electricians test the fire alarm. So here the subject is the electricians, the verb is test, and the fire alarm is the object. So I will start with the fire alarm. So the fire alarm is tested by the electricians. Okay? Okay. Okay. My friend bought a new car. This sentence is in the past simple. So I am asked here to start the sentence with a new car, which is the object. So a new car was aware, was bought by my friend. Okay, so let's go to the next sentence. Number 16. John cleaned the bathroom. Passive. So John is the subject, clean is the verb, and it's in the past simple, and the bathroom is the object, so I will start with the bathroom. So the bathroom was cleaned by John. Okay, number 17. Levi Strauss invented the blue jeans. So the blue jeans is the object, so the blue jeans. So the blue jeans is invented by Levi Strauss. Okay, so sorry, the blue jeans was, because this sentence is in the past simple, the blue jeans was invented by Levi Strauss. So here, why did we say was instead of saying where? Jeans here is the material, like the cloth which is the clothes are made of. So here it's not plural now, it's just a material. Okay, number 18. They developed a new kind of washing powder. So I want to change this sentence to the passive, and this sentence is written in the past simple. So they is the subject, developed is the verb, a new kind of washing powder, all of this is my object. So I will start my sentence with a new kind of washing powder. So a new kind of washing powder. Was aware, where is, we say it's in the past simple, so we must make it was. So a new kind of washing powder was developed by them. Okay, number 19. Snow covered the mountains. So the sentence is in the past simple, so I will start with the object. The mountains were covered by snow. Okay, number 20. The lady gave me the keys. So here I have two objects. I have me, the first object, and I have the keys. So I will answer the sentence in both, the two answers. Okay, so I will start with the first object, which is me. So here I'm asked to start with the keys. Okay, so it's the second object, so I have to add a preposition. So the keys, the keys were given to me by the lady, and I can write the sentence without this part. I can erase this part and it will be okay. That if I started the sentence with the keys. What if I want to make the sentence with the second object, which is me here? So it will be like that. Of course, I will not start the sentence with me. So I was given the keys by the lady. Okay, move to the next one. Number 21. The students handed in the reports. So the reports is my object. So the reports, this sentence in the past simple. So the reports were handed in. Don't forget the preposition. When you have a preposition in the verb, don't forget to put it. So the reports were handed in by the students. Or if I want to write the sentence without this, by the students, it will be also correct. Okay, number 22. Sue puts the rucksack on the floor. Put. So this sentence is in the present simple. So the rucksack is the object. So I will start with the rucksack. So the rucksack is put on the floor by Sue. Okay, moving to the next one. 23. The policemen don't help the children. So we change it to passive. The children the children. So this sentence is in the present simple, so I have to use here are because the children is plural. So the children are not helped by the policeman. Okay, number 24. Mother waters the flowers. So I will start with the flowers. The flowers are watered by mother. Okay, if you don't want to write by mother, it will be also correct. Okay, so they sing the song very well. So the object here is the song. So the song is sung by or very well by them. Sing, sang, sung. Okay, it's essential to remember the past participle of the verbs. Okay. Okay, as for this part, it has been already covered. The present perfect has already been covered. Okay. Okay, now let's take a quick look on the examples here. How can I know that I want to change this sentence into passive here? So sometimes, like number 1 here, okay, our dog didn't bite the cat. He told me to start with the cat, and the cat here is the object. So that's passive. Sometimes he asked me to use the verb in past participle, which is also passive. And sometimes he asked me to use by. And of course, we know that we use by at the end of the passive sentence. And sometimes I'm asked to use the verb to be in the sentence, like number 14, the electrician tested the fire alarm. So he asked me to use is. And of course, I will change here the sentence into passive. And sometimes the question is too direct. He just asks you to use the passive voice. In number 15 here, he told me to start the sentence with the object. So of course, I will make it in the passive voice. Okay? Okay, let's cover these two sentences in the present perfect together. I have written to my pen friend for 3 years. I am asked here to use since. So I write the same sentence, but I have to put since instead of for. So okay, I have written to my pen friend. So 3 years. We are now in 2020. So if this thing was like 3 years, so I will cancel like you use the math skills that you have. So 2020 minus 3, that's 2017. So I have written to my pen friend since 2017. Okay, so number 27. She went shopping a moment ago. So just means I use it to describe an action that happened a short time ago, like 2 minutes ago, or 3 minutes ago, or 5 minutes ago. So of course, when I rewrite this sentence with just, I have to erase or cancel anything that has the same meaning. So she, I will not write went because just is a key word with the present perfect. So she has gone shopping, and of course I have to put here just. She has just gone shopping because we put just between the helping verb and the main verb. Okay? Okay, now let's answer a translation text. Okay, and here we go. Start with answer number 2. So, thanks to the photographs which Dr. Elbaz took from satellites, we found underground water in the Western Desert and Sinai. Okay, so here, when I translate from English to Arabic, it's preferable to start the sentence with the verb. Okay, so here, thanks to photographs which Dr. Elbaz took from satellites, it will be like that. بفضل الصور التي تم أخذها بواسطة دكتور فاروق الباز from the satellite is القمر الصناعي من القمر الصناعي. Okay, we found underground water. تمكنا من إيجاد أو وجدنا مياه جوفية. nobody بقى محدش يكتب بقى إيه مياه تحت الأرض. المياه تحت الأرض اسمها مياه جوفية. مياه جوفية في الصحراء الغربية وسيناء. Okay. Okay. Let's now answer one from Arabic to English. Okay. You can pause the video to copy what you want to copy. Number 2. القراءة وسيلة هامة لتحقيق التقدم الثقافي والحضاري وهذا أيضا يساعد في بناء المواطن المصري. Okay, so القراءة وسيلة هامة لتحقيق التقدم الثقافي والحضاري وهذا أيضا يساعد في بناء المواطن المصري. So reading is an important means to achieve to achieve cultural and civilizational progress, which also helps in building the Egyptian citizen. Okay, now let's answer the second dialogue and that's it. So here's the dialogue between Dalida and Dream. So let's read the whole dialogue first. This is a photo of my cousin. What's his name? It's Faris. And then here we have a question mark but it's not written. So dots. Dalida, he is 14. Okay, and another dots, and here's also question mark. He lives in Giza, and here we have another question, which his answer is he loves fish with rice, and the final question, he likes basketball. So let's start completing this dialogue. So what's his name? It's Faris. He is 14. So what do you think the question will be if you're asking about someone's age? Yes, how old is he? He is 14. Okay, he lives in Giza. So he's asking about the place. So we use what to ask about the place? Where? So where does he live? Okay, he loves fish with rice. So I'm asking about something here, a thing that he likes, that he loves. So of course I will use what. So what does he love? Okay, we cancel the S here because we have does. When we have does, we put the verb in infinitive. The last question we have in the dialogue, he likes basketball. So we can say what's his favorite sport? Okay, which sport does he like, or what does he like? Okay, or what sport does he like? Okay, and thank you for listening and good luck. So as I said, which sport does he like, or what kind of sport does he like? Okay, and thank you for listening.